Welcome to the IPEX UCE mobile application video for Android. If you haven't set up your application yet, please refer to the UCE installation video for Android devices. When first entering your app, you will need to log in with your credentials. If you have already logged into the app today, you will not need to re-log in. You can just open the application to take you straight through. To place a call, select the call icon. Here you can dial a number to call. As you type the number, matching contacts will be shown from your IPEX cloud directory. If the number is not in your directory, you can still place the call as normal. Press the call key to place the call. Once you're on the call, you can press the speaker button to place the call onto your phone's loudspeaker. Pressing the mute button will disable your phone's microphone, so you cannot be heard while still listening to the call. Pressing the hold button will place the caller on hold, upon which neither party can hear each other. If you have any questions regarding your UCE application, please contact your telephony provider.